Today I will show how to buy shares of IHS Holding, explain what the company does, and confirm it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IHS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares. I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IHS to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ IHS entry to locate the right stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. To place an order, choose Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading opens. And if you lack funds, the platform will request a deposit before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. For the example link to eToro, check the description below.